My buddy in San Diego told me about a liquidation company. I think the name was Swiss Co. or something, Swiss Link. This is the packing list. I didn't cut it in half this time. So, I don't dox myself with all of my info. This is what I bought. Here's the name of the company, Swiss Link. They're a liquidation company. And I'm hoping, it doesn't feel like it's in the wood crate, but I'm hoping that it's not damaged. It's a toolbox. I guess it would cost a pretty penny to ship it if it was in the wood crate. You can hear it jingling or clanking about. Ooh. Let's have a look. Very interesting so far. They did a really nice job packaging this so that it didn't come out of the packaging during shipping. Chest, steel, MG. What is that? D28201. Let's see what's at the other end. Same thing. I hope it's not locked. I don't have the key. Oh, it isn't. This is probably the first time it's ever been opened. The piano hinge in the back certainly isn't happy. Okay. Remember the Tin Man in The Wizard of Oz? Oil! Oil! There are the keys. I didn't want to show that yet. It's very simple, very rudimentary. And of course, there's the top tray. It doesn't matter that it's just a simple 16 gauge brake metal. The craftsmanship is really pretty good. Let's have a look down inside. Of course, no tools, but I have way too many of them, so it's not going to be a problem filling it. The piano hinge is a little happier. Maybe I'll put a bit of oil on them, on it. Anyway, 1942 Swiss Link toolbox, unissued, very cool. 150 bucks. Thanks, Glenn, for showing me the link. I like it. It already has some wear in it, so it looks like it's been used. Yes, sir. Very nice. Okay, thanks for watching my video.